Hi dears, welcome back. This is our EVS class. Today we are going to learn and discuss about an interesting topic. Compare with previous lesson. Okay. Before that, I will show one picture. Are you ready to see this picture? Okay. Can you say who's he? Yes, he was the great man. Then he's the kingmaker of India. He was born in July 15, 1903. Then he was died October 2, 1975. Do you know what's the special in October 2? Yes, it is Mahatma Gandhiji birth anniversary. Okay, then K. Kamraj was introduced the free school education for all students. Then he introduced the midday meal scheme also. Do you know about midday meal scheme? Yes, in his Kamraj period, the midday meal scheme was launched. How means one day the Kamraj went out some place. That time he met one boy. The boy was kept the goat and cows. The Kamraj was very shocked. Why I give the free school education for all students, but why some of the students doing this kind of work like that? The Kamrajar was thought. Then suddenly he called that boy, why you didn't school? I give the free education for all students, but why you didn't go to school like that? The Kamrajar asked to the boy. The boy suddenly replied to the Kamrajar, yes, I am also agreed that one you give the free education for all students, but who give the food for me? If I go to the school, who give the food for me? Will you give food for me? Like that the boy asked to the Kamraj. The Kamraj was very shocked. Oh, free education is not only enough for our Tamil Nadu peoples. If I give the meals for the students, definitely the most of the students come to the school. So I give the free education and midday meals for the all students like that. Suddenly the Kamrajar make the law. Okay, so nowadays also the each and every government has provide the free midday meals. Okay, it's delicious and tastiest one also. Okay dears, see this picture. This boys feel very strength? No. Then was he very strong? No. Why? Just imagine we didn't eat anything for whole day and 2 days also. How we feel? We feel very happy? No. We feel drowsy and very tired also. So which one is most important to live? Which one is most important to survive in the world? Yes, the first one is water. The second one is what? Foods. Very good dears. Today our lesson also foods we eat. Okay, we discussed about kinds of food. Okay, the next one is what is meant by food? Yes, we know very well, and the food is most important one to alive. But what is meant by food? Yes, food is something we eat or drink to alive. Okay, food is something we eat or drink to alive. It's consist of a solid or liquid. It's not a matter. But food is something we eat or drink to alive. That is called food. Okay. Uh, See this picture. Why we need food? What is the reason? Yes, we know very well without food we can't live. Okay, the next one is yes, we need food to give us energy. Okay, the foods only give the energy for us. Okay, then it's make new body cells. If we didn't eat the proper food means our body cells also some damages. Okay, that's why every day we must take the food. Okay, next It's fight to infections and to protect us from disease. Yes, nowadays we are affected by the coronavirus. Yes, in all corona hospital block also, the hospital give the healthy food for the corona patients. I'm correct or not? Yes, the food is most important. Okay, if we take the proper food, healthy food means our body ready to fight with the infection and germs. Okay, so that's why every day we need proper and healthy food. We take proper and healthy food. Okay, then how we say this boy is healthy, unhealthy? See this picture, the boy was healthy or unhealthy? Yes, healthy. If we need the healthy body means what we need? We must need the healthy body. Okay, what kind of things we do? Yes, we must take proper food. Okay, what is meant by proper food? Okay, before that, can you say what kind of food do you know? Yes, the first one is vegetarian food. What is meant by vegetarian food? Yes, which food is made by full of vegetables? That is called vegetarian food. Okay, the second one is non-veg food. Yes, it is a delicious food. Then which food is made by seafoods, fish, flesh, egg, meat, like that? It is called non-vegetarian food. The third one is, yes, pizza, burger, yeah, fried chips, finger chips. It is called junk food. Okay, then which kind of food do you like most? Yes, most of us, we like to eat junk food only. But is this healthiest one? No. Okay, then if we want the healthy body and strong body means our food must have nutrition. Okay, our food is must have nutrition. What does mean by nutrition? Have you ever heard this word nutrition? No. Okay, I will show. Okay, before that, see this picture. What's this name? Yes, we all of us say it's a corn, but it has one another name also. This name is Butta. Okay, in your book also has this name. This dish name is Butta. Okay, just imagine if I give two pieces of Butta for you. Okay, you and your grandma or grandpa share this Buttas. If you started to eat means who one finished first? You or your grandma or grandpa? Who? Yes, you only first finished the Butta. Okay, why? Yes, most of us, our grandma, grandpa haven't any teeth because they get aged. That's why they haven't any teeth. So you are easily finish this Butta. Okay, the next one is, what is the nutrition? Just now I say the foods must have more nutrition. Okay, what is meant by nutrition? Yes, a nutrition is a chemical substance. What? A nutrition is a chemical substance. Our body don't produce this substance. Okay, our body don't produce this substance. We must take this chemical substance through our food. Okay, what are the nutrition? There are 6 nutritions also there. What's this means? First one is water, the second one is carbohydrates, the third one fat, fourth one proteins, fifth one vitamins, or finally sixth one is minerals. These are nutrition. Okay, the 6 nutritions must contain in our food. Then only we say we are eating healthy food. Okay, the next one is, what are the nutrition? I clearly show this picture. The first one is water, Second, minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins and fat. Okay. The next one is, why do we need minerals? Why we need minerals? What is the uses of minerals? Yes, the minerals strengthen bones and teeth. Before that, what is minerals means? Calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, like that. Chemical substances called minerals. We know very well, if we want the good muscle, then bone means we must need the mineral. We must need the calcium. Okay, the first one is it's strengthen our bones and teeth. Then minerals keep blood healthy as well as your heart also. Then our body needs 7 minerals. What is this? Calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, chlorine and sulfur. Okay, these minerals are very important in our body. Okay, the next one is food items rich in minerals. What are the food items rich in minerals? If we want the minerals, we must take the mineral rich food. Okay, the milk, apple, spinach, egg, beans, like that. Fruits and vegetables has more minerals. Okay, every day we must take this kind of things. Okay, the next one is, why do we need vitamins? Just now I say why we need minerals. Minerals good for our bone, teeth and heart functions also. Then why we need vitamins? Yes, I will show. Okay, what are the vitamins we need in our body? Yes, can you say how many alphabets? Yes, 26 alphabets. Okay, can you say alphabets in order? Yes, vitamin A, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and not F, G, H, and finally vitamin K. How many vitamins are there? Can you count with me? 1 vitamin A, 2 vitamin B, 3 vitamin C, 4 vitamin D, 5 vitamin E, and finally 6 vitamin K. Okay. Okay, dears. The next one is benefits of protein. Just now we are say what is the minerals. The next one is vitamins. The third one is protein. 5 benefits of protein. Protein helps you feel full for longer. Okay. If we eat protein rich food means we feel fully stomach, like that we feel. Okay, the next one is our brain function is very healthy. Then it's control the blood sugar. Then it increase our muscle mass and strength. Okay, if we need to improve your body weight, you must take protein rich food. Okay, what are the protein rich food? Yes, meat, egg, nuts, fruits, spinach, like that. Food has more protein. Okay, then if we didn't eat protein rich food means we must face some major diseases. What means? The first one is kwashiorkor, the second one is marasmus. Okay, the kwashiorkor means, see this picture, this is kwashiorkor disease. In this kwashiorkor, our stomach belly is too big compared with our body mass. Okay, the kwashiorkor disease we easily find out using our belly. Okay, the next one is marasmus. It is the too lean baby. We can easily visible the rib. Okay, visible the rib. Why the children's affected by the kwashiorkor and marasmus means it's the deficiency of proteins and minerals and vitamins also. We must take nutrition food. Okay, if we don't take greens, then vegetables, fruits means we also affected by the some deficiency disease. Okay, see this is the marasmus disease baby. This baby affected by marasmus disease. See this baby ribs. The ribs are also easily visible from our through our eyes. Yes, the rib also easily visible. We can count the ribs also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12. Okay, you have to easily count the ribs also. So if we don't affect from this kind of diseases, means we must eat the healthy and proper food. Okay, the next one is the nutrition deficiency. This disease name is kwashiorkor and marasmus. Okay, then we learn three things. First one is minerals, the second one is vitamins. How many vitamins are there? Yes, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Okay, then the fourth one is carbohydrates. Why we need carbohydrates? Yes, carbohydrate boost our brain. It's help to weight loss. Then it's protect our heart. Okay, then what are the food items have more carbohydrate? Mean sugar, dried fruits, cookies and rice also have more carbohydrates. Okay, these are rich in carbohydrate foods. The final one is water. We know very well the water is most important drink in the world. Without water we can't live. Yeah, one. Okay dears, what do you eat today morning? Yes, some of we eat idli, dosa, buri, or some rices, lemon rice, curd rice, like that. Okay, the food is different from one place to others home. I'm correct or not? Yes, the food is different from one place to another place. We are living same same state and same district also, but our food is different. Yes, I'm correct. The same way, our India also has different food habits. Okay, for example, if we classify our India into major two parts. The first one is South India, the second one is North India. South India means Tamil Nadu, Kerala, like that state included in South India. North India means Gujarat, New Delhi, like that state is called North India. Okay. For example, see these two pictures. Which one is South Indian food? Which one is North Indian food? Yes, we easily find it from puppet, then rices. Okay, our South India food must contain in what? Rice. Because, okay, the next one is North Indian food. The North Indian food must contain in the wheat. Okay, buri, chapati, dal, like that things must present in the North Indian foods. Okay, why the food is different from North India to South India? Yes, because in our South India, in our district, we easily see the paddy field. Yes, in North India, they easily get a wheat. Okay, that's why which food is easily available in our place, which food is lowest cost compared with the other food, then it depends our culture also. Okay, food diversity. What is the reasons of food diversity? Means the first one is which one is easily available, which one is lowest cost compared with the other food items. The third one is it depends our culture. For example, in our Hindu mythology, we pray the snake as a god. Yes, I am correct. Okay, dears. But Chinese peoples, they cut the they kill the snakes and cut it into small pieces. Then they make the snake soup, snake fry, snake deep fry, like that foods they are eagerly eat. It is the delicious food for the Chinese also. But can we eat the snake? No, if we see the snake in our home, we all of us started to shouting. Then we didn't stay in our home. But the Chinese people, every day, if we go to the hotel, means we can order what, a chicken biryani, chicken noodle, chicken babs, chicken pakoda, like that. But the Chinese people, they eagerly order the snake soup, snake deep fry, like that. Okay, the next one is in our Kashmir peoples, yeah, they need to make the fish curry and fish fry, means they must use the mustard oil. Okay, they must use the mustard oil. The different the taste is so different. Okay, the next one is in Kerala. Yes, in Kerala, one delicious food, that food name is stuffed coconut. It is the delicious food for the Kerala. Okay. Like that, some of the district and some of the countries has one special and unique food for their routine life. Okay. Okay, dears. Now we are living sophisticated life. Yes, I am correct. Yes, our mummy and our parents ready to do anything for our studies and our routine life also. But in our countries, in our world also, some of the peoples, some of the childrens don't get enough food for their life. Then even though they don't get one spoon of food also. So every day more than 22,000 peoples die because of hunger only. Okay. Compare with coronavirus also killed the humans 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, like that only. But the hunger virus kills about 8,000 children a day. Okay. So hereafter, you don't waste the food. Okay. Every day you must take the healthy and proper food, but you didn't waste the food. Okay, then it's the project work for you. Draw the Indian map and classify it into two parts, South India and North India. Okay, decorate the South India using rice and black grains, then decorate North India using wheat. Okay, the next one is, this is for your reading practice. You must take the video and send it in our WhatsApp group. I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa. We ate fish there, but it tastes very different. My mother said that it was a sea fish cooked in coconut oil. Okay, dears? We will meet again. Thank you.